Hey, it's Lynn with Selman Home Inspections, and today we're talking about GFCI receptacles, where they're located in a home, their protection, as well as what we're looking for in a standard home inspection. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter, and they help protect against accidental shock anywhere a receptacle is located near any kind of water or the potential for water. Let's take a look at some examples. Today's building standards require two different circuits in the kitchen, both protected by GFCI circuitry. We test these with a standard plug tester that also tests for the GFCI. We simply take our finger, we press the button, and verify that that receptacle does indeed have GFCI protection. We do this with every receptacle in the kitchen. GFCI protection is also required on any receptacle in the utility room. GFCI protection is also required in all bathroom receptacles, and generally the bathroom receptacles are all tied to one GFCI receptacle located in the hall bath or half bath. All receptacles in the garage also should be GFCI protected. That includes the receptacle for the garage door operator as well. Outdoor receptacles are required to be GFCI protected as well, and those receptacles that are not under a porch or patio should also include a bubble cover to help further protect against moisture. If you have any other questions about GFCI circuitry or any other questions about a standard home inspection, or if you'd like to schedule an inspection, give us a call at 512-337-1020. Or you can visit us online and schedule your inspection online at austin.selmanhomeinspections.com. Thanks again for listening. I'll see you again next time. Bye.